Imagine waking up every morning free from that excruciating C5-C6 disc bulge pain. In this video, you're going to discover groundbreaking methods to restore your cervical spine health and eliminate that pain, all from the comfort of your own home. I'll be showing you safe and easy techniques using readily available equipment and advanced methods, including the Denneroll spinal orthotic device, developed by top professionals and researchers. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with powerful tools and techniques to not just manually, but potentially reverse that debilitating effects of a C5-C6 disc bulge. My name is Dr. Cameron, and for the last 24 years, I've been helping the Lucan community relieve neck, back, and knee pain. Did you know that around 70% of Canadians will experience neck pain in their lives? Many of these cases are linked to a disc issue, like the C5 and C6 bulges, which can leave you in severe discomfort, tingling, and even numbness in your arms and hands. Left untreated, these issues can worsen, limiting your ability to work, sleep, and enjoy daily activities. The good news is that there are non-surgical solutions available, and I'm going to show you exactly how to apply them in this video. Let's break it down. 5 simple steps for managing and potentially reversing a C5-C6 disc bulge. Number 1, understand your neck anatomy. Before we dive into methods, it's important to understand what's happening in your neck. The cervical spine, or neck, has a natural C-shaped curve called the cervical lordosis. This curvature is vital for supporting the weight of your head, which is about 8 to 10 pounds, roughly the weight of a bowling ball. When this curve is lost due to poor posture, trauma, or long hours at a desk, the stress shifts to the front of the spine, compressing the discs, especially at C5-6 level. Over time, this causes degeneration and a disc bulge. Now, if the cervical spine is in its proper alignment, the discs stay healthy. But with a forward head posture or straightening of the neck, also called a military neck, the pressure on these discs increases, which is the root cause of the pain. The symptoms usually start in the neck and can radiate into your shoulder, arms, and down to your fingers. Number 2, home exercise warm-up. One of the easiest, most effective ways to start managing this condition is with simple warm-up exercises using a towel or a strap. Here's how we do that. Step 1, take a towel or a strap, roll it up. Step 2, place it behind your neck with both hands holding the ends of the towel. Step 3, gently pull the towel forward while slightly tilting your head back. This creates traction on the neck, helping to decompress the spine and stretch the muscles. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your neck. Do this for 30 seconds at a time. Repeat it 3 times a day. Number 3, cervical traction with the Denneroll spinal orthotic device. Let's talk about more advanced research-based approaches using the Denneroll spinal orthotic device. This device is specifically designed to restore the natural curve in your neck and relieve the pressure on the C5 disc bulge. It comes in different sizes and is prescribed based on the curvature of your spine, which is being assessed by an x-ray. Here's how to use it. Step 1, lie down on a firm surface like the floor or a yoga mat. Step 2, place the Denneroll underneath the lowest part of your neck, just below C7, the bone that sticks out the most in your back. Step 3, gently rest your head back over the device and relax. Start with just 3 minutes a day and gradually increase the time as your tolerance improves. Over time, this device helps to correct your posture, relieving pressure from the discs and restoring the natural curve of your spine. If you experience any discomfort, such as dizziness or numbness, stop using it and consult a chiropractor. Number 4, exercises for strengthening and posture correction. In addition to traction, strengthening exercises are essential for long-term recovery. Here are 2 that might make a difference for you. Abdominal bracing. While lying on your back, pull your belly button towards your spine and hold it for 10 seconds. This engages your core, which supports your spine. Repeat this 10 times daily. Chin tuck. Stand or sit straight up. Slowly pull your chin backwards, keeping your head level. This helps to strengthen the muscles that support the natural curve of your neck. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. Both of these exercises can be done easily at home and help reinforce the corrections made by the Denneroll. Number 5, consistent care and monitoring with x-rays. One of the key aspects of restoring spinal health is consistency. You can't expect overnight results, especially if the condition has developed over years. Regular chiropractic checkups, x-rays, and adjustments will ensure that your spine is responding well to the treatment. Only x-rays can tell the full story of how your curve is improving, so it's important to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, if you've been suffering from a C5-C6 disc bulge and it's been going on for more than 6 weeks and you haven't seen the results you need, it might be time to give us a call. 519-227-1363. At Cameron Family Chiropractic, we specialize in non-surgical decompression, laser therapy to help you recover faster.